In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Photoshop project as a PNG file. PNG is a great format when you want crisp quality and support for transparency, like logos, UI elements, and graphics for the web. It uses lossless compression, which means it won't introduce the blur or artifacts you might see with formats like JPEG. With that in mind, let's walk through the process clearly and simply. First, make sure your project is open in Photoshop. You should see your canvas and layers exactly the way you want the final image to look. If your design includes transparent areas, you'll notice the grey checkerboard pattern in the background. That indicates transparency, and PNG will preserve it perfectly. Next, go to the top menu bar and choose File, then select Save As. This option is important because it lets you create a separate copy of your work without replacing your layered Photoshop document. It's a good habit to keep your original PSD intact so you can come back and edit layers later. Think of Save As the clean handoff to a finished file you can share or upload. In the Save As dialog, look for the Format drop-down. On some systems, it might be labeled Save As Type. From that list, choose PNG. This tells Photoshop to export your image using the PNG standard, which preserves sharp edges and transparency. If your artwork has soft gradients or text, PNG is a strong choice for maintaining clarity. It's also widely supported across browsers, apps, and devices, so it's a safe format for most purposes. Now, give your file a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it later. Short and meaningful is best. You might include a version or size indicator if you manage multiple outputs, and it's wise to avoid special characters that can cause issues on some systems. Pick a folder you'll remember, like a project or exports folder, to keep things organized. Finally, click Save. If a PNG options window appears, the default settings are typically fine for most projects. Photoshop will quickly create the PNG and place it in the location you chose. That's it. Your image is ready to use wherever you need it. To recap, you opened your project, went to File and Save As, chose PNG from the Format drop-down, named your file, and clicked Save. With these steps, you'll consistently get high-quality PNGs while keeping